So this is the channel. Okay, this is the only official channel I own, and this is the wallet. As you can see, it's zero balance, it's empty wallet, it's a new blockchain wallet. Okay, so let's find a new transaction to confirm. Let's see, go to the official website of blockchain and find a transaction under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, there are a lot of transactions over there. Wait for a few minutes. I got this transaction, which is 0.00741950. Okay, we gotta confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, so here we go. Right click, go to inspect, and then click to console. There's some warning you need to read that this browser features this browser features intended for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is scam. It will give them to access your money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with an empty balance. Okay, then you can perform blockchain script over there. Okay, so this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. Okay, so I will clear everything from here and then paste the script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, and then minimize it, paste your script here, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID, copy to clipboard. Okay, and then we just paste it over here, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. As you can see, our amount received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. Let's see today's date in Pakistan. It's Sunday, 24th of May 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that showing on the screen, the number mark. Okay, so yeah, this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during the video, and maybe it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed right now, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, so wait for a few minutes or maybe maximum 1 hour. And this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. Okay, and I own only this channel. Another all channels are fake. They took my videos, edit them, and upload their channel to scam innocent people. So be aware from that. I own only this channel, which has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you next one.